In this example, we're going to take a look at these two 3x3 square matrices, and we're going to decide whether or not they are inverses of one another. So how can we do that? Well, we're going to multiply them together, and we're going to see if that product matrix is going to be this identity matrix. And so you see this main diagonal has all ones, and then all of the other entries are zeros. So if we can show the product matrix equals that, then they are inverses, and we're good to go. Okay, so let's multiply them. I'm going to go ahead and start by copying down this first matrix over here on the left. And then I'll take the second matrix and raise him up a bit, and then leave some space horizontally so we have room to work. Alrighty, that looks good. And we'll put our product matrix right here, kind of in this place. So remember multiplication, we're going to work across the row and down the column. We'll have a series of multiplications, and then we'll just add all of those products together. So let's get started. Row 1, column 1, and it will go in this entry right here. So 2 times -4 is -8. 0 times, well, it doesn't matter, it's going to be 0. And 3 times 3 is 9. So this first one looks like it's going to be 1, so we're off to a good start. Okay, first row, second column. 2 times 3 is 6. And then there's that 0 and a -6. Okay, row 1, column 3, 2 times 3 is 6. There's a 0 and a -6. Okay, so the first row is done. So row 2, column 1, 1 times -4 is -4. 1 times 10, and -2 times 3 is -6. So next column, looks like 3 minus 6, and then plus 4. And finally, the third column with this one. So it looks like 3 minus 7 plus 4. Okie dokie. Last row now. So 2 times -4 is -8. Then we have minus 10 and plus 18. So row 3, column 2, looks like 6 plus 6 minus 12. And finally, row 3, column 3, looks like 6 plus 7 minus 12. So everything kind of looks like it's going to shape up nicely. So -8 plus the 9 was 1. 6 minus 6 is 0. 6 minus 6, well, it's still 0. So -4, -6, and then plus 10, that'll be a 0. 7 minus 6 is 1. And then a 0, and then 0, and 0, and finally a 1. Yeah, so we can see that this is indeed the identity matrix. So we can say now that these two square matrices are indeed inverses of one another.